I'm on the lookout for the Amazon truck. I've been looking out this window, girl, ever since I woke up. Oh, I sound like a straight man. It's your girl Steph Squilla, and we back at it again with another video. If you're new here, make sure you guys don't forget to subscribe. Boo. Come join the Squilla babes, okay? And to become a Squilla babe, all you gotta do is subscribe. So, but today is, what's today? Today's Tuesday. Hold on, you know my girl gotta make an appearance. Say hi. Say hi, Belle. Whatever. Today's Tuesday, and we're getting a hurricane tonight, and it comes tonight at like 3 a.m. or whatever. Yeah, so I had to tell you guys that, and I have to tell you, I'm getting an Amazon package delivered, so we're gonna open that together. I'm on the lookout for the Amazon truck. I've been looking out this window, girl, ever since I woke up. Excuse me. It's 1:40 right now. It's my package should be like 10 stops away. Like, where you at, boo? But yeah, just wanted to start my video. Say hi, Bill. And yeah, it's a hurricane vlog, boo. So get your utensils. We about to have a Skrilla meeting. A Skrilla meeting is where we use our utensils. The girls that get it, get it. If you're new here, you're gonna have to catch up, boo. Okay? But yeah, I just cleaned my room really good. I'm gonna wash dishes. I'm gonna make me food so I can have food just in case we lose power. Because last time when it was freaking a hurricane, we lost power and my ass did not cook nothing. So I was sitting there eating snacks for like 3 days. I was so annoyed. But yes, Tuesday. I had clients trying to come today, but I'm not doing that today. I got my period. It's literally day 2 on my period. You guys know day 2 is crucial. The girls that get it, get it. The girls that don't. Whatever. But yeah, new vlog, new vibes. It's a new week, bitch. So yeah, it's the last week of August. September was good. And Hurricane Idailia or whatever your name is, boo, was good. Yeah, I hope I don't lose power this time, because last time I lost power, bitch, I was freaking, I had to sit like in a certain spot to get my texts, and they was barely coming. But yeah, oh, I got vegetables cooking. Let me show you guys. I just cut this shirt. It was a little ugly shirt, but I'm like, fuck it, let me like just cut it up, and it could be a little pajama shirt. I'm over here making, I was trying to make the hibachi. You know how hibachi they be putting zucchini, mushrooms? I have carrots. I think I'm about to add carrots in here and make it a little mix. But yeah, this is the vibes cooking. I got Jovi here. Jovi, say hi to my vlog.
Hello.
This boy is 10 years old. Want me to itch his back. But yeah, that's the vibes for today. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I'm gonna pick you guys up in a few. I just went to my mailbox and got my packages, so we about to open my packages together. First, we need some scissors, bro. The hurricane is starting. Literally. Oh, the scissors are in my room. Duh. Duh, girl. But yeah, the hurricane's starting. Look how dark it is outside, look. This ain't gonna be compared to nothing. It's 2 p.m. right now. That's how dark it is. This ain't gonna be compared to nothing, boo. Watch tomorrow when the hurricane's here. It's gonna be super dark. Okay.
I feel like I'm gonna die.
Why?
We're in Florida right now, and I feel terrible.
You feel terrible?
Alright.
My first package is... Damn, this thing's squished. Alright, I'm recording. Alright. Yeah, I heard you say shut up. What color is this? I don't know, but let's hope it works good. That's number 1. What's this? This is a big old box. Hair dye kit. Oh yeah, hair dye kit. So this is what it comes with. This is for Cece to dye my hair. She was supposed to dye it today. But whatever, it's a hurricane. Now we got this package. Let me see, this is 91. Yeah. What you said, Jovi?
The dog.
Okay. my black hair girls. I think I found this a little hair dye that we're not gonna have to keep dyeing our hair. So I got the Egg Beautiful what's this called? Developer. Then I got the hold on, because I gotta tell you guys why I ordered the wrong hair dye like an idiot. Look, it's right here. 5N medium brown. Like fuck no. This gotta go back in here. This goes with this. We gonna return that, or let me save this one because we're gonna return that. Because yeah, but I knew I ordered the wrong one, so I'm like, shit. Let me just order the right one. And I don't really return things. I just take my L's. But this time I'm not gonna take my L. I'm gonna return that shit to wherever Amazon returns are and get my money back. Because I don't need that. I already have a hair dye. Look, 1N. Black. Unless I could just trade this for a different color. I don't know. But yeah, I needed the black kind. So there's that. Oh, and I got some screen protectors so my screen don't get ruined. But yeah, that's what we got, guys. And best believe I'm gonna take you guys with me when I go to return them. Guys, it's currently 5:23. I just woke up from like a 10-minute nap. I'm on FaceTime with CC. I guess it was downpouring already, and it was thundering when I was falling asleep, because that's what made me fall asleep, because I was falling asleep. But I got another one so we can so get your utensils. But yeah, bitch, it's starting, and yeah, I hope my camera's charged. I didn't put my camera on the charger, but I just woke up. I didn't really fall asleep. You know when you're sleeping but you can hear stuff, because I was still replying to CC. So that's what I was doing. I have my phone on the charger. I'm about to put this on the charger. And I'm just looking for a little snack to munch on. Then we're gonna have the sesh. So what'd you say? Oh no, they are not coming for trash today, babe. Oh shit, I gotta bring my barrel in too. Oh shit. I'm gonna do that in a little bit because I got a Karen that lived next to me, and like I said, I just smoked. So yeah, let me find something to eat. BRB, you just need to charge. I'm about to make a fire sandwich, cheese, turkey, mayo, jalapenos, pickles, avocado, cheese, and I'm gonna put spinach on it. I don't know why I just whispered that, but yeah, look. I am watching Kai right now. I'm watching Kai, about to roll up, but I had to come on here and show you guys my eyebrows. Babe, I found an Anastasia dupe. Wait, let me fix right here. Baby, this right here, you gonna think it's Anastasia. But, you ready? I'm about to tell you guys. It's Wet n Wild, boo. Wet n Wild, and it covers my bald spots, so it's lit. It makes me look like our eyebrows. But it's currently 11:07. We are in the hurricane. It's not even doing anything right now. It's keeping it lit. It's supposed to come tonight, so yeah. I'm just vibing. I'm about to roll up a few blunts. Honestly, that's how I'm feeling. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys my eyebrows. I'm so happy I found the eyebrow thing, and it's like a pen, and it's like glides. Like, girl, that's all you need, literally. But yeah, I just took Chanel out. I ate a fruit roll up, girl. I'm just chilling, vibing. Like I said, it's 11. I don't know, I'm not really tired. I think I'm about to listen to music and shit. But yeah, get your utensils. I had to roll up again because I forgot about shoes. Like, how the fuck did I do that? But yeah, I was rolling up regardless. And yeah, so souped up my eyebrows. I can't stop looking at them. Like, bitch. And it's the color of my eyebrow hairs. It's not like too brown. It's so cute. All right, let me stop talking. You guys see Kai in the back? He got the Karate Kid. Well, not the Karate. I don't know. You just know who I'm talking about. He's in town and he's streaming with him. And yeah, tune in, bitch, if you're not tuned in. From the hood to the hurt cities, ain't. The fuck is good, guys? What song I'm about to play? I hate the niggas who be trying to switch the block up. I be with the who change a nigga roster. Cause YouTube be playing. Close that bed, no, cause I know. This is my new shit.
Cable internet?
Yeah.
This is my new shit. No cap.
Switch to Frontier Fiber Internet.
Guys, why? All my niggas trying to come back. And all my niggas telling me sorry. And all my niggas like telling me like how good of a girl I am. Like, babe, I know you missed your blessing. The fuck? Tell me something I don't know, boo. Skinny pussy, she be making it move. Like, I'm taking risks for my boo, but she only a nigga to use. I fell in love with the way that you move. Like, fuck them when it's just me and you. She that nigga, but nobody knows. Can't grab her up, but you gon' throw her. Like, I can never be sober. Bitch, if you don't delete that picture, why'd you think that picture was cute? Yeah, exactly. The straw's not even in my mouth. It's up my nose. Cece! You see it going up my nose, though? Amelia didn't take better ones of us? Let me see what I got. Close that back door, can't get snaked out by my homie. Don't know say. Back to my music. Cece was trying to post on ugly at me. Bro, we was on South Beach with the drinks, but the straw's not even in my mouth. The straw's like up here. Like not in my nose, but over my nose. It looked crazy. If you try to approach her, like she said that she won't. I'm trying to see what it mean in the long run. Sound trouble her breath hill. Leave me some pain, I got pain in the hill. She's trying to be on my hill. She wanna help when I go out on drills. I think it's hard. She wanna help when I go out on drills. It's crazy. I hope none of my Skrilla babes is like that, cause no, it's a no. Damn, I'm kind of feeling that little dirt vibe, that playlist. Anyways, I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow or in the middle of the night. I don't know, I'm gonna give you guys an update, but currently it's 11:37. So I'm gonna get back to you. Good morning, guys. It's currently 10:13. Last night I didn't hear shit, girl. Nothing. I didn't even sleep with the rain noises on so I can hear what's going on outside. But babe, I think it was just raining and shit. It wasn't that windy. It wasn't as bad as the first one. The first one was that, like, the first one, me alone, like, in my house, was really bad. I thought the windows was gonna come off. But this time I didn't hear nothing. But my friend Jody just texted me. She said that there's another hurricane forming. But yeah. So that's the vibes. I just rolled up my good morning blunt. I want to get back into when I was like not smoking in the morning type shit. You feel me? Like I felt like I was so much more productive, but today ain't the day for that. So maybe I will start tomorrow. Like no smoking in the morning tomorrow. Today I'm gonna use to clean my house, plan out my content, crack my neck. Oh wait, guys, I didn't show you. I have my lemon lime water right here, boom. Top of the morning. Guys, I woke up mad stuffy. Like, I know you guys can hear that shit. I don't know why. But yeah. Good morning. What's today? It's Wednesday, August 30th. Yesterday was my dad's birthday. And, my stepdad, but that's my dad, you feel me? We didn't get to do nothing for him because the fucking hurricane. So, like, we're gonna do something Sunday and sing happy birthday and shit. You guys know my mama's house always be the vibes. My mom's not one of them moms where don't swear around her, act like this. Like, no, you could be yourself around my mom. Just don't do too much now. But you could be yourself. But yeah, that's just the vibes. I wasn't even gonna pick you guys up, but I'm like, nah, look, they need to see real life shit. And this is my real life shit. Bro, what the fuck? This is my real life shit. Bro, I just clicked somebody's video to watch their video, like a new YouTuber, because I look crazy. Because nobody's posting. But bro, I just clicked the visual diary, and I guess they don't talk in these. But yeah. Chanel snoring in the back. Fresh out the shower. What you doing? She's muting me. She's definitely recording. But yeah, guys, just got out the shower. About to, as you seen, I ate my oatmeal, but I'm about to just vibe out on my couch, roll up again, and enjoy this hurricane because tomorrow we're back to work. So yeah. Oh, I thought I was muted. But yeah, the hurricane wasn't bad at all, thank God, in our area. Last year's hurricane was way worse, but they're saying that there's another hurricane, so we shall see. Just did my skincare or whatever. Shaved my legs, shaved my armpits. I feel amazing. Washed my hair. And now, I just want to chill. I think I'm about to edit this video. We'll start editing while I'm chilling on the couch. And I'm gonna get back to you. Guys, I just woke up from my nap. My hair is still kind of wet. Oh wait, I didn't even tell you I took a nap. Your girl done fell asleep. I just ate this guac with some saltines, boo. Demolished. It's still pouring outside. Like, I thought the hurricane already came and went, but it's still pouring and windy and shit. So yeah, that's that. But your girl was hungry. This was just a little snack, as you can see. So I'm about to get me something to eat. Guys, and I don't know why I'm like mad stuffy. I know you can hear it. I thought it was because I just woke up earlier, but like no. Like it hurts to swallow and my nose. So I'm getting sick. I'm about to make me a tea because, baby, I need to shake back. I don't like being sick. Like I can literally hear myself talking. You feel me? But yeah, I'm about to roll up again. That's all I can do, honestly. What's up, y'all? It's the next day. Your girl is sick as a bitch. And yeah. I know you guys can hear it in my voice. I'm sick. Hold on, let me first tell you. Guys, I got a client. In 10 minutes, I told her I was sick and sis still wanted to come, so whatever. She didn't want her lashes crazy, so whatever. Even though I just feel like shit, but whatever. But I went food shopping. I got a few things from Dollar Tree. Publix. It's for my sneaky links. Baby, I don't eat those. It's for my sneaky link too when he's hungry and I don't want to cook. Then we got some yogurt. I got Greek yogurt this time, not just some other shit. And then I got granola and oh wait, I gotta show you guys this from Dollar Tree. I got granola and apples too. And then I found this at Dollar Tree. Cute, right? And then I just got plastic plates, trash bags, bowls, stuff like that, and water. So yeah, I'm gonna put this away. Got 20 minutes till my client comes, so I need to speed it up. Use a real trench baby for that.
Guys, look what I found.
For the beefaroni, you gotta be a real trench baby.
Fucking stocking.
No.
Loretta.
Look at my princess. Hi, Mama. Hi. You're so cute. You're a good girl. She knew I was sick this morning, giving me kisses. Cece's turning up on fucking... on her... on FaceTime. Like, bitch, I'm vlogging.
Anyways, yeah.
I'm out in Miami, ho! Camel toe? Oh, wait, I didn't show you this.
It's not picking up the color, but it's like a really cute, soft, pink color. And I'm incorporating pink in my living room somehow, some way. So, I already got the pink.
Guys, I'm feeling a little bit better, but
Then I got
I could be better.
some
Let me lower this hoe down. But yeah, I can feel better. Like, I'm still off. My throat feels weird, and like this, boo. Ooh. And my client told me that Corona's back. Like, babe, don't tell me that's Corona. But yeah, I'm about to roll up. I'm about to eat my pizza. Talk to Cece. Gina just dropped a new video. I feel like every vlog I'm talking about Gina. That's really my dog. Go watch Gina. She's so homey. That's the only YouTuber I could fall asleep to. Like, I feel safe. But yeah. I'm so excited to dye my hair. Cece talking to me. What you said?
I see you organized my cabinet too.
Yeah, bitch, I had to get your shit together.
Like my bean one.
Your what?
My bean cabinet.
What bean?
My bean cabinet, nigga.
Yeah, bitch, your shit was all a mess. It's still a mess.
It reminded me of your life.
Haha, thought you ate. Give me the plate.
I did.
You didn't eat, bitch.
I ate.
If your fucking house is disorganized, bitch, your life's a mess. My house ain't disorganized, babe. It was your house.
Organized. My sister organized it. Oh, that's what I thought.
Bitch, shut up.
Move. What are you doing?
Rolling up, my head's starting to hurt again. I don't even remember when I took that
Oh,
medicine.
you're a sick bitch. I forgot. That sounds crazy.
It's okay, I'm here. I'm about to add this nigga in here real quick. Can you get your fucking camera out of here? Like, the camera is dead in the video. Like,
Come on, wait.
nah, I'm gonna wait.
Oh, I know you're gonna wait.
Let me know when it's gone. Ew, I sound like a straight man.
You are on the low.
Yo, bitch, you got a whole lot of shit to talk. A whole lot.
Break up.
I just want to see what he's doing, so he needs to leave after. You feel me? At least your eyebrows is fucking done.
I know my face is breaking out so bad. I don't know why.
Change your
My eyebrows look good
pillowcases.
as fuck. Hey, Chico.
Hey ho.
I
Hey,
put
ho.
the lock in before I tweak out. Bitch, I'ma fuck you up. Alright.
Ew.
And then you're gonna try and say I'm abusive. Oh, no comment now.
Who said he is abusive?
No, I'm not. He ain't seen abusive yet.
Hey guys, so it's a new day. It is currently 9. Oh my god, I thought that said 9:30. It says 5:30. Clearly a bitch is blind. But I told you guys I was sick or whatever. Yeah, bitch, I was really sick. But I'm feeling better now. It's just my throat and my nose. But it's September 1st. It's a Skrilla marathon. We dropping videos every motherfucking day, boo. I got CC right here. We're writing out our September things we need to do. So yeah, if you made it this far on the video, comment Skrilla marathon, and I'm gonna see you guys in tomorrow's video because we posting videos every single day. Mwah.